In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a video gallery in Squarespace. Whether you're showcasing your latest projects, creating a portfolio, or simply sharing your favorite videos, learning how to do this can greatly enhance your website's visual appeal and functionality. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the page on your Squarespace site where you'd like to add your video gallery. Once you're there, go ahead and click the edit button. This will allow you to make changes to your page layout and content. After you've clicked edit, your next step is to add a section specifically for your gallery. To do this, look for the add section button. It's usually located at the bottom of your page, but it can sometimes appear in other areas depending on your current layout. Clicking this button will open up a variety of options for new sections you can add to your page. Now, from the sidebar that appears, you'll want to select Gallery. This is where all the magic happens. By choosing Gallery, you're setting the framework for your video collection. Squarespace offers several different layout options for galleries, so you can customize how your videos will be displayed on your site. Take a moment to browse through the layout choices and select one that best fits your style and needs. Whether you prefer a grid, a slideshow, or more unique arrangement, there's likely a layout that will suit your vision perfectly. Once you've chosen a layout, it's time to manage the items within your gallery. To do this, click on the pencil icon that appears on the gallery section. This icon is your gateway to editing and adding content. After clicking it, you'll see an option to add item. Go ahead and click that, then select video. This will open up the interface where you can start adding your videos. Adding videos is straightforward. You have two main options: pasting a URL from YouTube or uploading a video file directly from your computer. If you're using YouTube, simply copy the URL of the video you want to include and paste it into the designated field. If you're opting to upload a file directly, make sure your video is in a compatible format and follow the prompts to upload it from your device. This flexibility allows you to include content from a variety of sources, tailoring your gallery to fit your exact needs. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully created a video gallery in Squarespace. Not only does this feature add a dynamic element to your site, but it also provides a visually engaging way to present your video content. Remember, you can always go back and edit your gallery, change the layout, or update the videos as needed. Experiment with different styles and arrangements to see what works best for your audience and content. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to save your changes and preview your site to make sure everything looks just the way you want it. Thanks for watching and happy creating.